Alright guys, I'm in my '08 BMW X5 E70 and we were having a problem with a warning light coming on. It said that the brake fluid needed to be changed in the vehicle. So we changed the brake fluid in the vehicle and we bled all the lines and the light's still on. I'm going to show you guys how to turn off that warning light. So what you're going to do first is you're going to put the key in. Okay. You're going to press the start button once. We're going to accept this. All right. Now, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about first. You're going to go down, service information. All right. See here, it shows brake fluid, engine oil, vehicle check. Okay. Now, normally the vehicle check and the brake fluid, they kind of go hand in hand, but we're going to turn this off first. All right. Now, what you do is, while you got the vehicle in the on position, this button right here, you're going to hold this button down until you get the icon that looks like this, but it's going to be red. Okay, so we're going to push the button, hold it down, let go, press the button, hold it down till you see reset, and then you let go, you press it and hold it down again. All right, after that, put your foot on the brake, start the vehicle. Come back out. And there you go. So the service light is off now. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down to, we're gonna do the engine oil one next. And you're gonna do exactly the same thing because the engine oil has been changed. You're gonna go back over here. You're gonna turn the vehicle off. Put it in the on position. You're gonna press the button, hold it down. All right, that's the oil. Press it again, hold it down. It says reset. Press it again, hold it down. And that just reset the oil one too. So I'm gonna press the brake, start the vehicle, and then we're gonna go back out and go back to service info, and now that one's gone. Okay, now we're gonna turn the car off again. Turn the car back on position. See, press the button again, hold it down, let go. That's the vehicle check warning light. Press it and hold it. Well, you have to do it pretty quickly, so you press it, hold it down. As soon as you see it, let go. Press it and hold it down again. As soon as you see reset, let go, press it down and hold it down again. And there you go. So that's a reset for that one too. Now, we're going to start the car, come back out, and then go back in, and there you go. So basically what we did was we changed and fixed everything, and then we turned all of the warning lights off. So you don't get in your car and you have all these warning lights on. Once you fix it, that's how you reset all of them. And that's it. So I just wanted to share that video with you. This is JOATV, and I'm out.